Welcome to Learning Spanish with Mr. A. So as you can see behind my back here, you have the simple present tense, okay? And you also have the progressive present tense. So you're going to ask yourself, you're going to ask me, why do we have two present tenses? Well, that does make sense to ask the question. You're like, what is going on here? Well, it's very simple actually. You see, just put it this way. I'm going to read you a few sentences, okay? And you're going to see for yourself what I'm talking about. For instance, up here, the first sentence says, I eat every day. I eat every day. So what does that tell you? It tells you that the action is happening on a daily basis. You're saying, I eat every day. So it's a habit, all right? So when you have a habit, like it's every day, I mean every week, every month, you know, that's going to be the simple present tense, okay? Now, if you can see up here, I have other sentences as well, such as, look at the second one, all right? Based on the same sentence, all right, I wrote down, I am eating now, okay? So I'm eating now. So here, you have a slightly different situation. It is still a present tense, but this happens to be a progressive present, all right? We're in English here. I want you to see what happens in English first. So, that being said, you have to understand that when you have the progressive present tense, you know, you really are talking about a progression. The action is progressing as you say it. You see, if I said to you, I am eating now, well, that's what you are doing now, as you say it. That is called the progressive present. As opposed to when you say, I eat every day. That's every day. So it's a habit. That is, within itself, a simple present tense. Now look, I have more examples here. She works well with Francisco. So if she works well with him, that means that every time she works with him, she's going to work well, right? That is also, well, of course, a simple present. Now, contrast the sentence, the third one that you have here, when you say, she works well with Francisco, and you come up with, she is working well with Francisco. So now see, I took the same verb to work and I came up with a progressive form, okay? So I'm bypassing the simple present tense and I end up with a progressive present, likewise, okay? So, they are swimming now. If I say that they are swimming now, do you think it's a simple present or progressive present? If I say they are swimming now as I say it, okay? More than likely, what do you think? Right. Well, yeah, it is a progressive present tense because the action is happening now as you say it. They are swimming now, okay? Now look at this. Number 6, they swim every week. So now I'm saying what they do on a weekly basis. Once again, I go back to the action being a habit. That's called a simple present tense. So you contrast progressive present and simple present, all right? Your simple present is a habit. Progressive present is happening now as you say it. You understand that? So this is the English way of talking about the simple present tense and the progressive present tense, okay? You need to understand that concept in English so that I can teach you that in Spanish, all right? So, I'm going to let you kind of think about this a little bit, and I'm going to come back with my next video and I will explain to you what happens when you apply what I just told you in Spanish, okay? So, I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you for watching this video and hold it. I'm coming right back. Hasta luego.